Hello, I'm Kannan. I'm a maintenance manager. Today I'm going to show you how to operate our new jacuzzi. Come. Okay, first we have to turn it on. Okay, turn it on, and then you have to press the blower button, number one. Once you press, everything is working. And then we also have a heater. You press the heater button, press the Celsius, then you can adjust up and down how many Celsius you require. Okay, and then we also have a ozone. Then you can press the ozone button, and also we have the lights. You can press the light. Daytime cannot see lah, nighttime can see. Okay, next I show you how to control the pressure, left, right, and all the valves. Okay, so the first one is the main controller to the left and right. So once you turn, you can see the pressure all go to one side. So let's say it's a 2%, you can control and push all the pressure in one side. Let's say over here, then you can turn again to this side. Okay, this one is a main controller for left and right. Okay, so now I put in the middle. Okay, the second one, I'm going to show you this. Once you turn, you can see this water. Okay, the one you can turn it off. We have another one. Once you turn, you can see this. Okay, then okay, I turn it off. Okay, this one is control the pressure on your left, right. Is how fast you want. Let's say it's now reduced. You turn, it's getting more. Okay, for this portion, it's also same. You can control your pressure over here. See, now get more. Now if I turn, it's getting lesser. Okay. So and this one is a filtration system. After 2 minutes, the jacuzzi will lock its controller automatically. So let's say you want to unlock and shut down the jacuzzi, you have to press the on-off button, press and hold, and then you press again, the jacuzzi will turn it off. And then that's it. Thank you.